Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Eclipse IDE on a Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and you type over here Eclipse IDE download. Hit enter. So that will show you this eclipse.org foundation page. Just go to the official site of Eclipse. So that's going to redirect to the official site of Eclipse. This link I am going to provide right in our video description. Once when you are here, you need to scroll down and we'll get a download button over here. You need to click on that and that will show you download x86_64. So you need to click on that. That going to redirect to this page. Here you have to click on this download button and it's going to show you thank you for your download. Thank you for your download, and your Eclipse is rightly started downloading and it is started downloaded. Just simply click on that installer. You can minimize your browser and there you go. Our Eclipse installer is slightly opened. And this is our Eclipse installation wizard. So here we are going to install Eclipse IDE for Java developers, but if you want to know how to use Eclipse IDE for C or C++ or PHP, so for that I have already made detailed videos, so you can check those out on our channel. In this particular video I am going to show you Eclipse IDE for Java developers, so click on that. So this is where our Eclipse is going to be installed and it's going to download latest version of Java, which is 25.0.2. So I'm going to proceed with that. So there are two options basically, 21 and 25. We are going to proceed with the latest one and we are going to click on install. And that's going to show you this license agreement first and to accept it, and then it's going to start downloading and installing your Eclipse. Remember, it's going to also download Java and going to install that. So this is going to take some time. Significant amount of time, at least 10 minutes I would say. So have some patience and come back once when it is done. And there you go. You can see that our Eclipse IDE is rightly installed. Desktop shortcut also created over here. So simply click on launch. That's going to launch our latest version of Eclipse IDE, version 26-03. You can also launch it by clicking on this desktop shortcut. Here you can keep it default. We are going to use Eclipse workspace folder. Just click on launch. Here is our Eclipse IDE rightly opened. You can maximize this. It's going to also redirect to your browser, showing the sponsor page. You can always donate some amount. Now let's see how I can create a Java project. So go to file and click on new and click on Java project. Here I need to provide a project name. Let's give the project name as Hello World. We are going to use latest version of Java, that is Java 25, and this module I am going to uncheck and going to click on finish. So you can click on this icon and you can see that our Hello World project is rightly created over here. So when you expand this, you are going to see a src folder. You going to right click and to click on new and to click on class. So let's give the class name as Hello World. And it will be a public static void main method. Click on finish. So here is our hello world.java file that is rightly opened. Here you can write a print statement. So system.out.println hello world. Just end with a semicolon and click on this run button and click on OK. That's going to save our file and going to show you the output on your console hello world. So whatever you have written, that output is properly showing. If you get this output, all that basically means is you have successfully installed Eclipse IDE and can start working on your Java projects right on Eclipse IDE. Please do check out my other videos, the school Python projects. So all these different projects are completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. And if you're interested on WordPress, so for that also I have this playlist. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel and join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.